Bonjour et bienvenue ici. Je m'appelle Chetna et aujourd'hui on va commencer avec les articles définis en français. Il y a 4 articles définis en français, le, la et l'apostrophe et les. Le is used for masculine, la for feminine, l'apostrophe for vowel and les for plural. Let's see some examples and put it more clear to you. Le. Le is used for masculine singular. Le chat, le café, le livre, le chien. For livre, livre being an exception is masculine, and similarly for café that ends in E but yet is masculine. Moving ahead, la. La is used for feminine singular. La maison, la fleur, la table, la voiture. Here, maison is an exception where every word that ends with ison, tion is feminine. It is being an exception in French. Now, similarly, we have fleur, which is an exception. So it is feminine. L'apostrophe, which is singular, which comes before the vowel. L'ami, l'horloge, l'école, l'avion. Here in French, we have 7 vowels, unlike in English. We have I, E, O, U, H, and Y along with A. The last one with us is les, which is used for plurals. It does not matter that it is masculine or feminine. All that matters is it is plural here. Les livres, les mâts, les fleurs, les chats. Let's practice. We'll be doing some of them in the starting and then you could send me on the DMs and we'll be checking it. Le chat, la maison, l'école, l'apostrophe, les livres, le chien. Keep subscribing us for more such videos. Merci, au revoir.